Class Cancellations, Walang Pasok, November 11, 2020, Wednesday. Class cancellations for Wednesday, November 11, 2020. According to GMA News Online, classes for Wednesday, November 11, 2020 have been cancelled in some areas due to severe tropical storm Ulysses. Below are the class cancellation for Wednesday, November 11, 2020. Bulacan, Plaridel face-to-face classes, online classes, other blended learning modalities in all levels. Cagayan, all levels, public and private. Camarines Norte, all levels, public and private, until lifted. Camarines Sur, all levels, public and private, until November 15 due to no electricity since Super Typhoon Rolly damaged communication lines, no work in government offices, until lifted except those whose functions involve disaster risk reduction and management. Delivery of basic and health services and performance of vital services. LGUs in Metro Manila. Manila, kindergarten to high school, public and private. Parañaque City, all levels, public and private. Pasig City, all levels. Quezon City, preschool to senior high school, public and private. Taguig City, kindergarten to high school. Schools. Ateneo de Manila University, kindergarten to high school. FEU High School, Manila, synchronous and asynchronous classes. Lyceum of the Philippines, Manila, online classes to senior high school. OB Montessori Center, advanced CASA to grade 12. Quezon City Academy, online classes. San Roque Catholic School, all levels. San Sebastian Cathedral School of Tarlac, kindergarten to high school. Synchronous and asynchronous classes. School of St. Anthony. For more updates of Walang Pasok, please visit the description box for the updated list of Walang Pasok for November 11, 2020. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information. Thank you.